How to make photos and videos in one video. So if you want to make a video using both photos as in pictures as well as videos into one video, we're going to achieve this by using the help of a free application called CapCut, available for iPhone, Android and even laptops. So once you've done that, if it is a free application, by the way, you might have to deal with some of the ads that the application is offering you. So let me just shut down the ads. Now, one way that we can achieve this is by going to template, and we can choose a template that suits our needs. So a template that supports both photos and videos. So in the search bar, I can type in photo, video, slideshow template, right? So once I've done that, I can choose. There will be many different results right here: 2 videos, 9 photos, 9 video or photo. So I can select that particular template, let's say. Then I can tap on use template. Now what I can do is first I can merge a couple of videos if I want to right here. Once I've merged it, I can go to photos. I can also add a couple of photos, or I can choose to also come back and then select a video. Once I've done that, I can just go to the next option and it will automatically create that particular video using my videos and my photos. Now, since it is a video also, the effect might take some time to load, so you might just want to wait patiently until this process is completed. So as you can see, the video has been successfully created. So if I go ahead and play from the beginning using my videos as well as also my photos, CapCut has successfully created one single video for me. And this is how I could possibly go ahead and then basically create or open up and create one video using both my videos as well as pictures. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.